welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. In this video, I will going to teach you how to say date in Mandarin Chinese, like the year, month, weekdays. But in Mandarin, that is super easy. You only need to learn 4 words and then you will get it. So now, let us check it out. For the date in Mandarin, we call it 日期. 日期 means date. But before you learn the date, the first thing you have to know is number. That's the reason why some students, they confuse. They feel, wow, the date in Mandarin is quite complex because you are not familiar with number. So you can imagine you don't know number, also you don't know how to say date. Those two difficult points combined together, that will make you frustrating. So if you don't know number, please go for the link here. I will put a link here. You can click the link to see how to say numbers in Mandarin. After now, you know number, so now let us start it. I will mention before, we have to know 4 words if you want to know the date. So the first word you will know is nián. Nián. Nián means year. The second one is month. We call it 月. Yue. The last one is day. Day in Mandarin we call it 日. So R in Mandarin we call it 日. And this one is 日. So this one is 日. And this one is one word, have 2 characters, is week. We call it 星期, xīng, 星, 期. You see this one in English, in phonics, you guys call it k, right? Q, k, queen. In Mandarin, we call it qi. So 期, 星期 means week. If you also have no idea or not really familiar with how to read the Chinese pronunciation that we call the pinyin, go for the link here. This link is tell you how beginners should start learning Mandarin. We'll give you all details for the pronunciation part. So now you have to know the numbers and how to say those 4 words. If you know those things, you have no problem with the date. So I will repeat it and now you follow me, read it together. 年 月 日 星期 All right, so now let's see the date. You see here, this is the order of the UK date, right? 18th June 2021. So you guys will see day first, and then is month, and then is year. In China, our date order is totally different with UK, just opposite. We will say year first, and then month, and then is for the day part. So that is the second thing you have to know, different order. All right, so now we just take this date as an example. And then I will change to another page. You will see how we say this date in Mandarin Chinese. You see here. So when you read the year part, year, I just told you before, year, we call it nián, right? So you do not need to think about, oh, how could I say number like 2021 in Mandarin? That's quite a long number. How could I say it? No, it's easy and simple. What do you need to do? You only need to read those 4 numbers independently, like 2, 0, 2, 1, 年. So in Mandarin, that's gonna be 2, number 2, líng, number 0, 2, number 2, 1 is 1. So 2021年 2021年 that's the way how you say 2021 in Mandarin. Second one, for the months, we call it 月, right? So then you just read the number 6 in Mandarin, we call it 6. So 6月. last one for the day part. This one we call it 日 means day, right? So here you cannot call it like 1 and 8. This one is literally 18. So we will call it 18 is 18日. Also, there a little tip. For the day part, you can call it as 日. Also, you can call it as 号. Let me show you. Quite small, but those two, 日 or 号, both fine. What's the difference between 日 and 号? You can say 18 日 or 18 号. Like 号 is more daily spoken for the daily life. 日 is more formal. You can see on the phone, on the computer, on the newspaper, they all use 日. But in daily life, you better say 号. All right, so now I will read it in the complete way. So that's gonna be 2021年6月18日 or 18号. That's the way how to do it. So after we know how to read the date, so now I'm gonna tell you how could we say the months in the independent way. So basically, that is all about number. So 月 is months, right? Months. So you only need to use number 1 until number 12. Put it before 月. So number 1 is 1月 means January, 2月 February, 3月 March, 4月 April, 5月 May, 11月 November, 12月 December. Okay, you can see how important for you to know the number before you learn the date. Actually, you don't need to know that much number from 0 to 30. 0 to 30, that's gonna cover all the numbers you need in the date part. Okay, so now if I ask when is your birthday? So is that if it is May, you can tell me 5月, right? Number 5 plus 月. So now let's go for next page. You will see how to say the months and the date together. So like here, before I will show you guys, right? 2021 year and June 18th. So you see here. So how could we say 18th May in Mandarin? Firstly, you have to change the order, right? Months first, and then is the day part. Think about it. If you want to like follow me to test yourself, you can pause the video now and then get your answer and carry on play the video. So what we're gonna call it 5月6日, right? 5月 is for the May, right? Months, and 6 day 日. Okay, let's see. Next one is 19th August. 19th August. How could we say it? You can pause the video and then play it again. So that's gonna be 8月. 8月 is August. 19日. 8月19日. So next one, February 1st, and then you see the 5th. So that one gonna be 2月5日. 2月5日. So now we can read it together. 5月6日. 8月19日. 2月5日. Okay, guys, remember here, sometimes students make this mistake. This 118, you have to read it literally is 18, not 18, okay? Only for year part is really long. You can read it for the independent number. So if you want, you can type in about your birthday in the comment area, and then you can type in your birthday and in English version and the Mandarin version. The Mandarin version, you can type in the pinyin, and then I will check and reply you. Okay, so now we know year and we know how to say the months, how to say the day, but we don't know how to say weekdays, right? Like Monday, Tuesday. So now let us move to the next page. So week is 星期, follow me, read it. This one is difficult to get the pronunciation. 星期put together means week. So from Monday to Sunday, we do not have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh my God, that actually is really confused in English. At the beginning, when I learned, it is really struggling. So in Mandarin, is it simple? 星期 plus number. You can remember, right? Like the month is also 月, the month character plus number, but they're slightly different. You see here. For the month is number first, and then plus 月. I will say number 1, 1月 January, 2月 February, but week is different, okay? We will use 星期 to plus the number. So we will say 星期一 Monday, 星期二 Tuesday. So do not confuse for the order part. And also, guys, by the way, so if you put the number part before 星期, what's gonna happen? If you put it like number first, let's say number 1 plus 星期, the meaning gonna be 1 week. Is not Monday anymore, okay? All right, so now let's carry on. So 星期 plus number, 星期一 Monday, 星期二 Tuesday, 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday. For Sunday, how can we say it? Can we say 星期number 7, 星期七? No, okay? Remember, the 7, Sunday is totally different thing. Sunday, we call it 星期日. You can call it 星期日, or you can say 星期天. You can use the 天 to get rid of 日. Those two is no big difference. You can choose either way you like. And there is like maybe, that's not like really, it's not every time in this way, but in majority situation, 日 is more formal than 天, okay? So 星期日 or 星期天 both means Sunday. All right, so now I will upload my video on this day. That is Friday and the 19th of June 2021. So that is the video published day. So in Mandarin, how could we say it? Okay, guys, you can pause the video now, write it down, your answer, and then compare with me. All right, the answer gonna be, firstly, is, you see, 2021年6月19日星期五 Okay, guys, follow me, read it again. 2021年6月19日星期五. That's the correct way. And also, like I said before, if you don't mind, if you want to involve in a part of my video, you can type in your birthday in the comment area. I will reply you. Okay, guys, that is all about today. All right, that is all about today. If you do learn something from us, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin, and I will see you every Friday. 再见。